Record. Okay, guys. Where is this? Mm. Okay, so installation failure. But important thing is, um, important thing is, if you see the main things are installed. So I want a dash view. Okay. SSH agent and grill HTML publisher also build JUnit. Very important things are of course pipeline. Important git parameter git one is installed. Okay, that is the main thing. Okay, subversioning, active directory, email extensions, mailers, SSH also installed. SSH is also installed. So main important is git, GitLab, GitHub, git thing is important, and pipelining is installed. JUnit, if you want to do JUnit is installed. We put everything, right? So but few are not installed. This one, this one, this one, this one. Four are not installed, so we'll see that one later. But main thing is are installed, so that's important. Okay. Otherwise, earlier we use a second one. We use it. You can use a suggested one. I click on continue. Okay. Now it is asking for a administrator. You want to use admin as a user, you can use it. Otherwise, you can create your own administrator. So I am putting JAdmin as a user. Password is admin @123. Full name is JAdmin only. Full name is JAdmin. Email ID. So we don't have any email ID, right? So I'm giving JAdmin @example.com. Just I'm giving, that's it. It's not required to do all these things. Okay, so it won't verify anything. So save and continue. Now it is there. So I'm going to save this password. This is the link to access. We know already. Save and finish. Okay, start using Jenkins. Now Jenkins dashboard, the window is open. Okay, so here in this one, it is going on. So it is finish periodic build, discard kind of stuff. What I'm doing is just I'm putting enter on it. Okay, nothing. Okay, so don't close this one, just minimize only. I got a two notifications. Just I click on two notifications. Okay, dependency error. These are not installed, right? So the error is there. So we can install it if you want it. Configure which warnings are shown, or you can just correct. You can leave it like that. Okay, I'm going to my Jenkins. So what to do now? Okay, here manage Jenkins. First go to manage Jenkins. Here it is showing so many options like a configure system, configure global configuration tool, manage plugins, configuration as a code, install as a Windows services, manage nodes and clouds. If you want to, if you created a nodes kind of stuff, okay, manage credentials, manage users, configure credential providers, system information, system log, load statistics, about Jenkins, manage old data, okay, reload, configuration from disk, Jenkins CLI. So I'm going to open, right click on this one, and this is Jenkins CLI. This is CLI commands. Okay, if you want to shut down, or you want to change a WebSocket, or you want to do, these are all commands only. Okay, so I want to download this one, so I right click here, keep. This is Jenkins CLI.jar file. So you want to control your, like you want to shut down or restart. Okay, we don't have any other thing. So you want to do it, then you can able to do it. My tea is completed and it is Varasht. Okay, we downloaded it. So I'm going to copy, remove from there and put it in Jenkins folder only. Okay, so I can operate it from here. Currently not required, but we need these commands. Okay, so from here. Okay, so I'm copying it. I'm going to new, save, Control V. So I got all the commands of this one and how to do it. So we'll see later. So Jenkins CLI CMD. Okay, so like that we have to do it. We don't remember everything, right? So slowly we will remember. Okay. So again, I'm going to Jenkins management. First of all, go to system, configure system. Okay, then we'll go to the plugins also. I think Arjun also came and Akshay also came. Very good. Okay. Now new chat box. Okay. So this is the location of your home directory. If you want to change also, we can change it. Okay. So if you want to change anything, labels, usage, okay, locations, okay, set a valid host name instead of local host. So you can set your computer name also. Okay, you can set your computer name also. So I have this computer name, right? I can use my computer name here instead of using a local host. You want to give a system admin ID also, we can give. This is global properties like environmental variables and all. So we can able to give all these things. Like SSH remote host, any remote host is there, you can give. This is a GitLab URL thing. Rebuild related one. If you have a team foundation server, you can add the team foundation server. Stamper, like how clock is there, so how it will be things. If you are enabled pipeline builds, then also you can enable it. This is GitHub. Okay, so if you want to give your GitHub thing, so then also you can give your GitHub server. So where is your GitHub server? Like a name of GitHub server and the path you can able to give. What is my GitHub server? CTS. Okay, then test connection. So it is not understanding that like we can give credentials also. Okay, if you are not doing it, just delete it. If you are not doing it, API usage, Git parameter, Git plugins. Okay, so okay, so I use some plugins, right? So in my system, I am using some username, email value also. So I'm using the Sunstar. I'm using Sunstar, and here using the dot Sunstar at Gmail. So if you give, so if you want to give any other things, also you can give. This is about subversioning. You can go through once whatever email notifications and what email should be get notified. This is public key. This is what it is repo, or you can use repo command executable. So if you have any repo thing, then you can give all the paths. Okay, not given in a repo path. So then I done deletion, right? Okay, git connection name Vedic soft CTS. URL required https://github.com/Vedic CTS. If you don't give also, not at all a problem. Okay, it is asking no, we don't require this token thing. It is asking so many things. Okay. Currently not required, so we'll see that one later. So then I'm going to save it. Okay, if you change, good. If you are unable to it, no. Again, manage Jenkins. Plugin management. In a plugin management, what are the plugs are update and what are the available? Available means not installed, but plugins are available. Okay, so that is search a folder, search for a use search field to above things. This is the installed plugins. These are installed plugins. If you don't want it, you can also uninstall it. If you don't want it, you can uninstall it. Okay, you can see uninstallation button here. So you can uninstall it if you don't want it. This is advanced, like you want to install specifically, like you want to download from a specific server, you can use advanced button. So currently no extra plugins are not there. So if you find anything, you have to select it. You have to select it and then install in download now, install after restart, or you can install without restart. If you don't find anything, just check now, like that you can do it. Okay, and back to this one, global tool configuration. So first we done configuration system, now global tool configuration. Here it will the related Marvin related one, JDK. So where you install JDK, that one you can give. This is your Git. We are using Git, right? That is Git. If you want to install automatically, click it and apply. Okay, like that. Okay. Here it is git.exe default path is there. If it is not working, then definitely we'll touch this one. Okay, if you have different git things, then you can git jgit kind of stuff. Okay, JDK not came, then also we can give. Okay, JDK, which if you want to install it, then you can select which JDK here, and we can click it. Okay, we don't want JDK installer. No, we don't require it. Just give what is your JDK. Okay, JDK. Where is my Java? install both the things, 9 and as well as 8. Okay, I can use anything, so I will use this one. First, I will put a 8. I will use it. Name is this one, and home, Java home. Where is this? Entire location. Okay, this is Java home. This is bin file. Control C. If you don't give also, not a big problem. Why? Because of it is in environmental variable, it is already there. Okay, no problem. Okay, we'll leave it this, but you can see if you have a Gradle, Mercurial, MS build, and you can use Maven. Okay, so you can use what is the name of the Maven, which one you are installed. Otherwise, you can give Maven home like this. Okay, we'll do it later. So, but this is the locations. Okay, guys. What's the thing? But first of all, we'll start creating a project. Okay, first one is new item. Here you can do freestyle projects, means entire thing you can do it. It's a central feature of Jenkins. Build your project, combine any SCM with any build system, even need for something like completely your control only. This is a pipeline. If you want to do any pipelining projects, means different workflows you want to add up, then you can do it. Orchestrate long run activities that you can, multiple build agents are there suitable for a build pipeline, formerly known as workflows. And our organization complex activities do not easily fit in freestyle jobs. Okay, it's if you find not multiple things here difficult, and then you can use this one. This is for external jobs. Multi-configuration project folder creates a container that stores nested items and grouping things together. Okay, unlike view, which is just a filter, folder creates a separate namespace, so you can multiple things to say same as long as a different folder, like GitHub organizations. Okay, so you want to scan GitHub organization and all repository matching field maker. It will take it from GitHub. Multi-branch pipelining thing. Okay, so first I'm going to do freestyle project. So click on freestyle project. Then I put a first one is project one. Okay, so and also I put a free style project one. Okay, so you can give space, no problem. Okay, maybe so. Okay, project one. So click OK. Now new job is creating. Okay, so this is a new project. So in a description, if you don't want to give, also not required. It is a general one. So first free style project, that's it. Okay, now if you have a GitHub thing, so then you can give here. If you don't give anything here, also not required. So if you want to copy artifacts and all, then you can give all those information. Otherwise, not required. This is source code management. This is important. In the general tab, this is not very important, but source code management is important. What is source code management? No, this one. Change. What is source code management? Already I told Jenkins. This is Jenkins. So, okay. What Jenkins will do, it will take your code and it will do building, testing, and deploying kind of stuff, right? So, somewhere your source code is there, right? Somewhere your source code is there. So, source code may be in your work folder, okay, or maybe it is in central repository, Git, or Subversion, anywhere your source code is there. So first we have to give the source code. Then we have to give what to do with it, like that, right? So this is source code thing. So none, you don't want to give any source code, but you want to do some work like that. Or base clear catchy, CSV, comma separated value, Gerrit repo. Gerrit is also same thing like our Git and all. So Git Mercurial, it means like it's a FTP server type. Okay, Git we know already. Like if you have a code in a Git, like you can specify the thing in Git. Okay, okay. Or if you have in a subversion, a team foundation server, or something like UCM clear case, something is there. I'm using none for because of first one. Okay, so because we are doing just, I want to show you this one. Next one is build tickets. You want to build periodically, or you want to build in a particular way, or you want to build and publish. Build when change is pushed to GitHub, GitLab, like in this case, or you want to build when changes occur. Like I told no, something you done a change here immediately. The change will take it and build it. Okay, continuously. So new code is developed and you put it into your GitHub, then it will take it and build it, take it, build it like this. So that is a build triggers. Okay, next is a build environment. So how do you want to build? Like a delete workspace before build start, or provide configuration files, send file or execute command or SSH before build start. Okay, so these are all things you can slowly one by one you can read it. Okay, build with and like this is build step. Actually, what, how you want to build it. This is post build action. Okay, what is build? Like you can tell like a build like this, or build using Maven, or build using ant, build using Gradle, build so build with a normal cmd command or maybe python command. So anything you can use it. Okay, now here post build action. Post build action means after build what to do. So you can click here. So you can see you want to send a publish a HTML report. So after building, you want to send a HTML report. You build a Java project and you want to publish a Java doc. Okay, or your build is a test. So you created a test result. Build another project. So you build first build is completed, then you want to build another one. Then once that is completed, you want to build another one. Like that, you can create it. Okay, so you want to publish it to Git publisher. So once build is completed, successful, and put that one into the Git again. So separate like this is a package is completed or maybe successful. Then you can send your files to Git like that. You can able to do it. So you can have a lot of things because starting of Jenkins and all, very less options are there. Now more options will give more confusion. I'm going to build only, of course, this whole actions. I think so you're clear. First is general. In general, you can give description, and if you want to give any information here, you can give. Next is where is your code? That is source code management. So your code can be any place. So then you can give code. I'm using none for now because I want to use my code is in my PC like that. Okay. So next is build triggers. When to build? Like do something change here and do build. Okay. So till that time wait like that. Okay. Build after other projects are built. So that is also conditional. Build environment. So whenever you're building it, so what to do and what is things should be added or deleted, or maybe what kind of um, environments you have to provide, that is thing. Okay. This is just for build, and our different build steps are there. So I didn't show you, right? So this is build steps. Build Visual Studio Studio, change build description, names, okay, artifacts and other projects, Node.js, execute shell, Windows command wise, okay, invoke and Gradle scripts, okay, including Maven as invoke top level Maven targets, okay, run with the timeout like this, it is there. This is post build. What is post build? Post build means once build is completed, so it will take next step. So either it is publishing a document, build successful, or putting a message, successful build things. Okay. So now what to do? So we are going to E drive. I'm going to create some folder. So Jenkins projects. Okay, so the Jenkins project, just a folder. Okay. Now what I want to do is I will put some file here. Okay, I want to do something. Okay, I want to do something. Then I will see result. So the result usually stores the actually after build or anything usually stores here. Where here users admin Jenkins, your work things will be stored in this one only. So usually not here, jobs here it will store. Okay, but I'm giving folder. So next time when I take something, I will try. So I will show you that one how to do it. Currently, I'm going to execute a batch command. Batch command. That's it. Okay. So some commands. You know in your PC you can have so many commands, right? So first of all, cd. So no. E colon. I have E drive. Okay, I have a E drive, right? So E drive Jenkins project, right? So this is the project, right? So I'm switching to E drive first. Then I'm going to cd that folder. Okay, in that one I'm going to put some text message. My first Jenkins project. Then I put this thing into a file. Okay, jk file 1.txt. Okay, next type means reading the file. I think so I completed all these things for you. Okay, I given type means just reading the file. That's it. Okay, you want to do another things like also you can do it like okay, this is enough. I created a file. I went to a folder and then I created a file and then I see the file. Okay, so this is it, our project. Okay, this is one development. I'm going to apply or a save. Save means save and apply. Apply means only apply and save, like that. You can use it. Applied means I got saved. Save means save and exit time. Means project is created. That's it. Project is created. Now you can see here build now. This is the project. This is the build now. So I'm clicking on build now. Now it is building. Okay, it is building here. It is showing a blue color and you can see one. You can click here. Just click here one. Now it is showing something is happened. Click on a console output. Now can you see what happened here? Okay, so this is a primary location of your project. So this is your location. Project location is this one only. Okay, next I change my drive to E colon. Now it is E colon, see, and it is went to Jenkins project. Okay, system cannot find path specified. So it's not understanding. Okay, it went to E colon Jenkins instead of Jenkins project. So it's not understanding it. So no problem. So this is the column. Can you see that column? Okay, so we should give complete path. I didn't give in a complete path. Okay, so echo this one and here and type. So my is here and completed and success. Okay, I want to see the result. Okay, it's not understanding the location. It went to this location. Here it is created. Okay, so here it is created. Can you see? So it is a simple project. Next, I want to do it again. So I want to do it. So I find my mistake. Actually, I want to create this file in this one, right? But there is some issue. Then we'll check it again. And also, I want to do some more things. Okay, so we'll see that one. What are some more things? Back to the project. Configure. Can you see configure? So in same project only, I'm going to configure. I'm not doing any new one. So, but I am going to same project, build. Okay, so here I given e:// so this is thing, and I don't want these quotations in my file, so I'm removing quotations and type file. And also I want to put a ping is our loud thing, right? So 192.168.2.1, that is my default gateway, so I want to ping it. Okay, any command if you remember, we will put it. So anything. Okay, so you can use copy, move, all this kind of stuff. Okay, and this is a build type. So what is a post build actions? What is post build actions? Okay, if you want to add more steps also we can do it. I'm adding a post build actions also. So what to do with the post build? Build another project, we can do it. HTML report, then we have to write HTML or email notification, process, label, build asset, delete space when build is done. I don't know this. Okay, report, add HTML report directory to archive. So e:/Jenkins project, correct only, right? So index.ml titles, titles optional. Okay, I put a title is project report. We'll see what will happen. Okay, save means apply and save. Now again build now. So already one build is there. So can you see already one build is there? Again new build. It is a second build. You can see it is console output while it is going on. Okay, completed. It is not created in ours. It is created in a job section in Jenkins. Okay, and here it is. Okay, no problem. We'll see that one later. First of all, what is happened here? Successfully changed directory. So in my directory, it is file is done. Okay, it is text is in my file, and also it is done pinging. This is pinging, and then completed. And next, this is post build. Can you see HTML archiving, HTML reports, project level here to here. So we'll see what is happen. So first of all, this is created, and can you see without a quotation file is there. In this one, this file is there, but I want report, right? So I want report admin.jenkins jobs. Okay, this is build jobs HTML report 20. This is the file, and here the file came here, and this is a publisher wrapper. Open with Google Chrome. Okay, it is back to the freestyle project. Something zip is showing, but it is not showing completely. Why it is showing a line here? Index.html is there now. something happened. Okay, it's back to that portion. So yeah, HTML report is there here. Okay, no problem. So I'm going to back to the project. So this is the report, but not showing anything here. Maybe it will show later. Okay, but that is to do it. Okay, so every build, this is the build history. It will keep on coming. Okay, so every build history will be there. Okay, what is rebuild last? So last one, you want to do it again, so you can do it. This is workspace where it is stores like this. Okay, changes, if you no changes in any of the builds. Okay, you want, if you change but not at build, so then it is changes. Enable build status. So if you want to this thing, protection and protection things, you can do it. So it is, so many things are there. Ourselves. I think you understand what is build now, what is a delete project, configure, and like. Don't delete it anything. So you can delete these things. If you delete also, nothing is will happen. Okay. So this is project. So it shows like here, like here. So if it is fail, it last fail, it is showing duration, success. Okay, when it is created, built on Jenkins, issues, everything will be here. You can create a project wise also. This is all. You can create a project wise also. You want to create a dashboard, list view, my view, like this. You can able to create a view here also. Currently, I'm not doing that one, so we'll see that one. Okay. We don't want this one. I want this one, but yeah, I am copying this one. Okay, currently. Okay, I'm pasting here. Okay, so this is my Java project. How much time we have? Oh shit. Yeah, we have 1 minute. Okay, no shit. I see that error message. That's okay. So next I will show you how to build a Java project, how to build a Python project, how to build with the what is this? Yeah, okay, how to build with Git also. Okay, so when you will come back, you want 5 minutes time or 10 minutes time, please tell me. You decide and come back. It takes 10 minutes. Come back after 10 minutes. We'll continue this. I will show you that Git part also. Then we'll finish. Okay. Take 10 minutes break.